Friends, Namaskar. One exam is being called aptitude test and the second one is called joint entrance exam. But both these exams are meant for giving admission in various architecture colleges all over India. Almost similar subtopics are asked in both these exams, in JEE paper 2 as well as NATA. You can see that they will ask to do sketching in JEE paper 2. However, from this year they have eliminated sketching from NATA paper, but they have introduced some new questions like find the difference between two pictures and find out the sequence of pictures one after the other. But questions like this, 2D 3D visualization, you will find such questions in NATA as well as JEE paper 2. Methods question are also there in NATA as well as JEE paper 2. Similarly, this kind of questions where 3D view is given and you have to find out the top view or front view, or this kind of question where top view is given and you are supposed to find out the front view, and questions like this where you have to find out the mirror image of the given sketch. You see, whether you call it orange or reddish yellow, the thing is same. So you have to understand that whether you prepare for JEE Arch or NATA, you have to understand almost similar topics for both these papers. We have prepared some books for JEE paper 2, for architecture, B planning, for making the student understand what kind of questions you may expect in NATA as well as JEE paper 2. These books are easily available online on Amazon, and you can prepare for your joint entrance exam, that is JEE paper 2 or for NATA, from the help of these books. These books are available in Hindi as well for BR and B planning. You can see that we have given this detailed explanation in Hindi for color schemes and everything. All the topics are covered in our books, and we have shown some tricks also how to solve and such questions where you have to find out the number of triangles or number of squares. These are the tricks shown here. If the correct front view is supposed to be asked and you are given a 3D view, how to choose the correct front view, because speed is most important. I have been telling everyone in all my videos that speed is the most important factor for giving any kind of entrance exam. Either you know the answer of the question or you don't know the answer of the question. If you know the answer of the question, it will take you hardly 10 seconds or 5 seconds to give the answer. But if you don't know the answer of the question, you may be wasting unnecessarily time in searching the answer. Same is the problem with mathematics. If you know the subject well, then you can solve the mathematics question very fast. Otherwise, you will be wasting 5 to 10 minutes for solving each mathematics question. So students, this is my humble advice to you. JEE paper 2 as well as NATA is being conducted in August. You can buy these books online from Amazon. All these books are easily available. They will be delivered at your place, and you can save a lot of money without going to any coaching center for getting admission in architecture colleges. Namaskar. Thank you.